Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever had a song on your phone that you love but it's not available on Spotify, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your non-Spotify songs to Spotify on your Android device in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. You can upload your own music to Spotify. It's a bit of a hidden feature, but I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Alright, let's open the Spotify app on your Android device. Just make sure that you have got the latest version of this app installed. Now that we are in the app, you'll need to make sure your music is already saved to your phone. This is the key. Spotify cannot upload the songs that are sitting in your storage or on streaming apps. The song needs to be saved locally on your device. Once you have got your music saved, it's time to upload it to Spotify. First, let's tap on your library at the bottom of your screen. There you'll see various options like playlist, album, artist, and download. You have to click on download. In a new interface, you'll see local files. Click on local files. Again, a new interface will open. You'll see add audio. Click on add audio. A pop-up icon will appear asking you to allow Spotify to access music and audio on this device. Click on allow. There you'll see list of the songs you have in your device. Click on any of it. Now click on the three dot at the side of the song. A various menu will appear. There you'll see add to playlist. Click on it and you can add it to any of the playlists that you have created recently and then click on done. Once you have added the song to a playlist, you can play them just like any other Spotify songs. However, these songs are stored locally on your device, so they won't stream unless they are downloaded on your phone. And there you go, you have successfully added non-Spotify songs to your Spotify mobile app. Whether you are importing tracks from your music library or adding personal favorites, it's a great way to keep all of your music in one place. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit on that like, share and subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.